How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another Unity tutorial. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to import a custom font into Unity. It's pretty straightforward, and for this example I'll be actually importing a new font for this above text here. You can currently already see I already do have a font in place for this one. Cool, so let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Google and actually find a font that you like. So I'm currently using this web page, fonts.webtoolhub.com, and I like it just because it kind of categorizes each of the fonts into its little sections here. For example, if I'm creating a horror game, I can just click horror, and yeah, you can just sort of go through all the fonts. There's heaps of pages, so you can find the right one for you. I kind of like this crimes times 6, so if I just click download here, it's all free as well, so you can find heaps of free fonts. That's why I really like this page. You just put in this number, click submit, and your download will automatically start. Alrighty, so once you've downloaded your assets, what we're going to be needing to do now is actually turn this asset into a font asset. So once you've got the asset into your scene, you just simply copy and paste it into the scene. What we need to actually use is Text Mech Pro. If you're not using Text Mech Pro in your project just yet, just go UI Text Mech Pro. If it's the first time using it in your project, it'll ask you to download Text Mech Pro Essentials. Just say yes to that. Once you've done that, what we can actually do with Text Mech Pro is create a font asset. As you can see here, if I do go to the No Custom, I can't actually drag this font into here just yet, just because it's not a font asset. So if I go Window, Text Mech Pro, Font Asset Creator, just literally drag this into here, generate font, and then you can just say save. I've already created a font folder here, just say save. That's all done. So if I just go to my fonts folder, now it's a font asset. If I just drag this into here, it'll pick it up. And there we go. We've now imported our fonts into Unity. And that's pretty much it, guys. You can do that with any fonts. It's a very straightforward process. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.